We are in Shenandoah National Park on the Skyline Drive, and this is Matthew's Arm campground. And this is the first campground that you come in if you come from Front Royal. It has cold water and flush toilets, but no electric. And this is what greeted us when we arrived, is a bear trap. And the idea is to scare you. And yeah, it worked. Right now, there are no bears that have been coming around in this campground. But if you leave food out or coolers, that will bring the bears here. And once the bears arrive, they don't go home. This one does not have a bear in it. And if there was a bear, the rangers would come, trap it, take it down some dirt road miles and miles and miles away from here, and let it go. Because, they want to protect you, but they also want to protect the bears. And if that bear comes back here, he's liable to be destroyed. And the rangers really don't want to do that. So when you're out camping, no matter where you are, always think bears or other animals that love human food. And put it away. Throw your garbage away at night. They have bear cans, bear dumpsters to throw it in. They have food lockers, bear lockers for you. Please be aware that even bears' lives matter.